There's Colton and Papa getting on.
You want to play one?
Colton and Papa.
I don't see them at all. Where are they? Are they in the yard?
Uncle and Auntie, Jackson Ryder.
Where?
Getting ready to get on Comet. The wooden roller coaster.
Where are they?
I don't see them.
I probably they've gone on already.
There they are, look. Look down there. See them?
Hey guys! This is a tennis!
There goes the big, look at that, Em, look at that. Look at that one. Look how high up it goes. Whoa.
I was not going on that.
Oh, we're going on that one next.
No, we're not. That.
Okay.
Daddy, we're going up like a river.
Wow, watch. They're going to come right here.
Where?
Look, see them over there? Here they come. Get ready.
Who?
See them flying there? Watch. They're going to come here. They're going to come right in front of us.
Ew.
Them. See them up top? See the roller coaster? Watch. Here it comes. Ready. Here they come. Coming around. And here they come. Down the big hill. Here they come. Watch. Look. Papa.
Hey, Papa.
Hey, Colton.
They're coming over.
Hi, Colton. Here they go. Cool. Look at the fish. Wow, big fish. Height way over there.
There's be some fish over down here.
This. That's Fahrenheit way over there, the big one with the red. Comet, and the yellow one is Sky Rush.
That is a swimming. Oh. That is scary.
Sky Rush.
Daddy, Daddy, you have the seaweed. Seaweed.
Yeah.
More. More.
Oh, can you see him?
Your Daddy?
There you
That's
go.
a plane. Yeah. They're gonna come.
Here they come. Oh, it stopped. Look, here they come. Here it comes right up. Watch, here they come. All right, that's pretty cool.
Oh, what are they doing?
That was cool. Papa and Colton. Papa and Colton. Colton's first big ride. And he had a good time. All right.